On top of the morning, guys. This is Yard as is. Yeah, man. Yard man J. I'm up and about, guys, and oh my, don't know why my eye scratch me like that. But anyway, I put together this video for you all. I trust that you all like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. You know the energy come down. But yeah, they're just a normal out. It's just an average day. Yeah, man. So I invite you all along for just come soak up some of the Jamaican energy, most naturally. What happened now, guys? I don't want y'all to bash me now saying that I don't structure the video properly, but I've been spending time with friends, family as usual. Nothing too what I say, X-rated, nothing too out of last words. Yeah, man, a bit last words, guys, but anyway, nothing too derogative, nothing out of the way. Yeah, man, just a natural Jamaican yard life. Yeah, man. So what happened now is that my friend Statics, yeah, man, and put big bro up on the screen like that. Yeah, man. But my bro Statics, yeah, man. From the other day, he has been working on a small project. In terms of, he has been in the studio. He has been working on, well, he has been working on his bike, well, bicycle, to be in fact. Yeah, man, he might try to fix up the bicycle so the youngsters can have something for ride when them near yard. So you know the energy come down, them can enjoy themselves a little fun time, put it at that. Yeah, man, and I've been out and about, and you know, I've been healing friends, family, loved ones, and so much more, guys. Yeah, man. But I have this year project doing as well. Oh my, it's a challenge. Yeah, man. But you know, it's something come down. Sorry, I don't know why my throat about me this morning, guys. Yeah, man. But I just one of them things about. Let's go. Yeah, man. Come on, guys. What y'all doing here? Let's go. Come on, yard, man. Today is a blessed day. I trust that y'all get up, get out there, and just, you know, energy come down. Do the right thing. Alright, guys. Yeah, man. Do the quick cleaning up there. But I'm gonna take a trip. I'm going on the road, guys. Yeah, man. Now link up with Statics, and I leave officer 40, guys. Today a Labor Day. Well, not Labor Day. Today Emancipation Day, 6th August. Yeah, guys. So you know it's something go. All these last words and a bag of things, but oh man, come on, yard, man. Today one of them days we were just a normal out and we just a open camera vlog. I trust that y'all up and active and feeling fine, and y'all like the video. Share the content. Put it like that. Yeah, man. I don't know why I'm lost words, guys. I figure more or less. I'm gonna bring y'all along. Come on, yard, yeah. So make a quick pit stop by Poor Man's Corner. Yeah, man. Come for grab a food, guys. You know, energy come down. I for grab something for the tummy. I've been up and about from one. Guys, so I collect the food. Yeah, man, I'm on my way towards Albion now. Yeah, guys, so you know, energy go. Come on, yard, man.
Yes, no.
Great Indian, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. This is Yard as is, guys. I'm up and about and I reach Albion. Yeah, man. Pop by Rasta. Pick up a few stuff. Let me show you all what's popping. Yeah guys, I'm up in the car. So Rasta go start out him bicycle wheel. Yeah man, so you know when something come down, may I go portal big bro to get it started, cause you know more while we need the bicycle as well. Oh man, as no brother, everything up? Alright big bro, safe travel, yeah? Yeah man. Boy doing that, you know guys. Yeah man. That's my friend from, well not friend, put it as my brother from another mother. Yeah man. We been coming from basic school guys, you know that go. From them days when we are wear nappy. Yeah guys, and big bro up and about and I do the right thing. But anyway, let's get back to my thing. Well, me a Rasta. Yeah man. So I say big bro go active up the skate. Yeah man, so you know if something come down. I load up the machine. Yeah man, come my yard. Okay, run a corner yard, do you look a clean up and you know if something go. Do the right thing. Yeah man, you know where energy go guys. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Yeah man, yeah, already always grab the broom. That is it man, that is it. Morning Empress.
I wanna come place clean.
Alright.
Disinfect and sweet up.
Nice. Nice. Yeah man, place clean man, properly. This is it guys, a normal day over there, yeah, I see you pull the machine there run about there. Yeah man, Rasta run a car and you do it right. That is it. Come my yard man. Albion St. Thomas. Yeah guys, so man route back to Poor Man's Corner. Yeah man, Rasta go active up the bicycle parts. Yeah man, tired to be in fact. Yeah bro. A little crazy man. Yeah guys, so up and about and I drop Rasta by the bicycle man. Yeah man, he might get the bicycle rim sorted out. Yeah man, so up and about today Emancipation Day. I'm actually in the car guys. The sun is like really hot, so I'm soaking up a bit of the AC before I go outside. Yeah man, you know if something come down guys, I'll take a quick pit stop. Yeah man, by Amstead. Yeah guys, boy, a lot of history with this year's spot. Yeah man, a lot of history guys. Yeah man, oh so much history for days. Yeah man, but this is the location that we'll stop by if we get the bicycle troop sorted. Yeah man, so see Rasta over corner there do the difference. Yeah man, there do the right. Well, I soak up scenery and I walk down memories. Yeah guys, this is my hometown. Well, whole hometown. Put it like that. Yeah man. Normally I'd come here after school and would pick mangoes off the trees and would catch pet fish out of the river. There are a few here now, but not like back then. Back then it was far more beautiful than this. Trust me guys, it was like man, magnificent. Yeah man, but as I said, I will come by with my classmates and you know, school friends and just enjoy this here little spot. You know this something about families, well, the elderly folks don't like when you come out here due to the fact that it was a bit more, well, there was more water in the gully than that. Yeah man, so them guys never like when you come by because they're afraid that we would drown and you know the safety for kids. But anyway, history, a lot of history guys. Yeah man, but I try on back to statics over corner there. Yeah man, as I say big bro around the corner there sort out a bicycle. Yeah man, see if we can get the skate up and active. Yeah, I say it's a hot day and honestly my apologies for not having any shirt on, but this is a tropical climatic zone guys and trust me, it's very hot, so sometimes we as an island boy, put it at that. Yeah man, we just have to go no shirt, no shoes sometimes. Yeah man, even though the asphalt hot, but sometimes we just love to get down to earth. But anyway, enough for the chit chatting guys, let's get to it. Yeah man, I'll go outside, go park by and see what I go on with Rasta and the engineer. Yeah man, or the technician, or the guy that fixes the bicycle. It's a blessed day man. This is Poor Man's Corner. Yeah man, St. Thomas. Yeah, looking at the moment. Yeah man, Emancipation Day. Anyway, Come on yard man, today is a blessed day and you know me a yard always up and about and I give thanks to life. I tell you man, it's a blessing man. Love and love alone guys. Come on yard. Alright, so we are go off board the spacecraft now. Turn off the AC guys. Switch off the engine. Jump out of the car. Yeah blood. Blessed day, you know. That day active up. Now the energy come down. 4 months, can. Yeah, man. A bit rugged because you know go barber from the other day, but you know it's something. Yeah, do them, man. And spread love, guys. Love and love alone. Anyway, open active. Let me show you all what's popping. I'm gonna flip the camera. That is it. So restaurant a corner, yeah. Check out mom's round there. Chickers across the road. Mom's in a Jamaica color. You know, it's up, come down. Yeah, guys, so this is Poor Man's Corner, St. Thomas. Yeah, man. So this is where you can find the Ella that fix the bicycle. Put it like that. Yeah, man, so just take care of the rim them things sort out and Ella there do the right. Only red stripes, not a rum stripe. You might can get it over next door then. Over the restaurant. You can't go over there with no shirt, bad man. Cross the road there. Just do it right now, man. And bless up mom said speed. You know it's something about mom's there, so just make sure you know say out. Jamaica Yard Life YouTube channel say how they do. That is it. Yeah man. Anyway. But yeah guys, and everybody do the right. Yeah. Red stripe. If a red stripe no better, just get the red stripe after then man. No sir, I don't run bad man, red stripe make you. The red stripe are my thing, the rum. The too chang man. Can't manage rum. Is the boy a bash video, they must say yo I'm on a stunt bicycle. I mean I do no stunt, you know. Anyway, something go. The man Rasta road a car there. Yeah guys, happy Emancipation Day, you know energy come down. You know so yeah. This is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life up and about. And when they are out and about with the Poor Man's Corner. Yeah man, we are start out the skate them. Yeah man, this is St. Thomas, Jamaica. Yeah man, yeah that is no preservative, no additive, all that chat. A Rasta road I give yourself a lot of trouble. Guys, you have to catch Rasta in the studio a little bit from this. Yeah man, statics are go up and about and I put together a small project that him have pending. Come on, yeah, it's a blessed day. As we said, with the Poor Man's Corner, St. Thomas. Rich man corner is a, well, Rasta's a rich man corner, not poor man's. Love and love alone, guys. Keep getting up, getting about, getting out there and doing the work. Right team. Come on, yard man. Grab a skate. We're now all out today. Yeah, man. That is it. See all one down the corner there. Yeah, man. So choose which one you all want to ride. And you know, it's something we are ride out today. Full rev. This is Jamaica. That is it. No, guys, I know the energy. I've been meaning to put together a video for you all. Yeah, man. But most of the time I'm up and about and been so busy. Today we're on bus Spanish River. Yeah man, a few family members we can go enjoy the countryside. Yeah. Ready? What the frick? No, it's some go. Yeah, that's it, man. I'm there, so a nice cool breeze. Island park. Come on, yard, man. It's a blessed day. Trust me, it's a hot day. Yeah, man. But we just spread love, guys. You know, it's something go. This is 1 minute to come. Come on, yard, man.